Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Peach Perfect Creatine, a supplement designed to support muscle strength, endurance, and recovery. Creatine is one of the most researched fitness supplements out there, but we wanted to see if Peach Perfect's version is worth the money. Peach Perfect Creatine comes in flavored powders that make it more enjoyable than plain creatine monohydrate. After testing it consistently, we noticed improved workout endurance, faster recovery between sessions, and a small increase in lean muscle strength. The flavored options made it easy to drink daily without the gritty taste that many creatine powders have. However, the performance benefits were the same as with cheaper creatine options, meaning the main difference here is taste and branding. The pros are improved workout performance, better taste compared to regular creatine, and no bloating if taken as recommended. The cons are that it's more expensive than generic creatine. The benefits are identical to cheaper alternatives, and it may not be worth the premium price for everyone. Overall, Peach Perfect Creatine works, but it's essentially creatine in more convenient and tasty format. If you value flavoring and branding, it's worth it. If you're only after the benefits of creatine, you can get the same results with cheaper options. This has been How to Really Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.